اسمي وئام الدواوي من نادي الدالية. جيت نشارك في بطولة المغرب اللي تنظمت في طنجة، والحمد لله ربي وفقني وجيت لبطلة المغرب. وبسبب انني شاركت في بطولة العالم وبطولة افريقيا قدرت انني طلع لي النيفو ديالي وقدرت انني ندي بطلة المغرب. وبالنسبة للاجواء كانت مزيانة وكانت منافسة قوية الله. كتعلمنا بزاف د الحاجات، الصبر ونتعلموا ما نخافوش وبزاف د الحاجات بحال هكا.
Hi, my name is Rogers. I'm here with Team GBI. We have 4 sailors, 4 boys out in Morocco here as a coach. We arrived last Saturday. We've been training for 2 days. Then we started the qualifiers. Boys did really well. They're all in the gold fleece, which everyone's out. And yesterday we had team racing. They came third, which was fantastic, on the podium. And today the finals started. So tomorrow is going to be the last day. Hopefully we're going to have good wins, and then we will see who's going to be the champion of Morocco.